free overview for Friday the 14th, November the 14th. This is Big A with ETF Trend Trading. Besides my homepage, I decided to start posting these to YouTube and the Google videos, so I figured I'd put my website on there. Nothing fancy, just hard-hitting trading knowledge and facts. I do have an advanced course that I sell, so I only give away maybe a third of it on the free videos. If you saw my video yesterday, if not, go back in time and see it. I locked in a 1% profit on this up move. Price did pull back, and we only made 1%, so we didn't end up making a whole lot more. That's okay. That's what happens. You need to protect your profits at times. We then had a perfect sell signal, and we're currently up 0.4% right now. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, and I don't care. I have a system that works good overall for the long term, and it doesn't matter. We know the markets always go sideways after a good trend, and we want to preserve our profits during the sideways markets and maybe make a little, and then we make a killing during the trending markets. So right now we're up 0.4%. If you've watched my daily videos for a while, you'll see I don't show all winning trades. We do have a stop above in this area, so if we get stopped out, we will lose 1%. That's okay. That's low risk trade. Depending on how far it goes down, we may have an add-on signal, or we do have add-on signals, but I'm not going to show exactly where they are. And that's for the advanced members that know this system. And this is the 60-minute chart, so I really like to trade the day chart, where you only have to trade 5 to 10 minutes per night. But this is the trade that we're currently in here on this 60-minute chart. I'm not at all afraid of holding the trades over the weekend. That makes no difference at all on this system, which is the 60-minute system, or on the day charts. Okay, so let me show you another one. This is the XLE ETF 15-minute chart. One of the things I love about my system is you don't need to know anything at all about fundamentals as far as what the government's going to do with these bailout plans, supplier demand, interest rates, stock fundamentals, sector fundamentals, even countries. When one of the ETFs I like a lot is a whole country. Well, that doesn't trade the whole country, but trades a lot of the major stocks in that country, so it's a great representation of it. You don't need to know any of those things. It's all price driven. Price is king. Price tells you what's happening, and even if you knew all the fundamentals, you would not know the reaction to them. So even if you knew all the fundamentals of last September, before the major part of the crash of the credit squeeze, you wouldn't know the reaction. That's the problem. You never know the reaction. And with price, it doesn't matter, because we're always going to capture a portion of it, and then go from there. By the way, every time you see one of my pink reversal signals, it's not valid. There's filters that the advanced members know about. So for example, this one no good, this one no good, this one's good but did not trigger, this one is good, did trigger, and we made 0.45%. Pretty slow sideways day if you did day trade today. Because this is the 15-minute chart, we were out right around the close here. You can see that you might not be able to see it because the charts aren't real clear, which, by the way, the CD package, everything is crystal clear, but these ones are through the internet, so it's not. But you can see there it's the 14th, it's the XLE, and that's the close time, 15:15, and we got out because that's what the system calls for when you trade these lower time frames. So not a huge winning day. Still short on that SPY, but it's been a little consolidating market right now. And if you go out to, say, the daily chart, you'll see that more. See how sideways that is for how long? Well, we just came out of a major trend. This is the daily chart, and it came down from a high of 89 down to this low of 38. So yeah, expect some consolidation after a big move. Whether it goes up or whether it goes down from here, I don't care. My system will trade the next big trend. That's what's great about it. It It catches literally almost every single major trend. That's it for today. Have a great weekend.